made some money in WDC, but the reason primarily why I did not trade RXT was because the float was 77 million. But in this situation, it went much higher than I really did expect. Actually, if I were gonna take RXT, where's RXT here? RXT got up to 171, which is insane for a 77 milli float. That's a ridiculous news with so the other ticker I did not trade was NSEE. NSE. So this fit my criteria as being a low float underneath 1 million. I think it was 500,000. This fit my criteria as a good daily breakout. It broke 18.5 over here, 18.3. We got up to 38 right here. We had a wedge pattern at 27. Got up to 36. I didn't trade this one, but I did see it. The reason I didn't trade this one because it was already up 300%. I try not to trade stocks that are, not, that are up. I try not to buy stocks that are not up more than 80%. So this did have news. And then another ticker, some traders came in the chat room. This was a 500K milli flow, another micro flow that popped up. The news was sketchy. First off, we didn't have that much volume, only 200K, and it had sketchy news. It says right here, it was, it said something about the company doesn't, no terms disclosed or something like that. No terms disclosed, and I decided not to trade it. Soon enough, we broke 180, we got up to 250 before hardly selling off. So primarily I've been in defense mode. RXT is probably the only, and we had EMLK. EMLK is the only one that actually fit my criteria. EMLK is the ticker that actually fit my criteria. Let's see if we can write down here. Actually I can't write down. See if we can yeah, something my camera I have to install it and plug it in. But primarily EMLK met all my criteria, was afloat underneath 1 million, had a daily breakout of 12 and 13, and then we got up to like 19. This was actually the best opportunity of the day. EMLK daily breakout of 12 and 13, and then we got up to 19. The problem is that, yesterday we were supposed to get some movers since it was the first day of the week, and we didn't get that many movers, so I thought it's just gonna be a shit week. What I ended up doing is just avoiding them. Yesterday we had like, I don't know, like 6 tickers just right at the open selling off, so I kind of just pretty much avoided them. So we got AMLK here. This was the opportunity of the day to buy a 12-13 breakout, daily breakout here. 500K float, daily breakout. And right here we had RXT, news with Palantir. That was, that performed way better than I expected. I didn't expect that. And the other ticker was, WDC, which we're still trying to go higher here over this 38 mark, since this is a 52-week breakout here. So I might have sold this one too soon, but I honestly, to tell you the truth, I took like very small trades on a lot of a lot of these tickers that I traded yesterday. I had like a headache because I took like 2-3 stop losses in a row. So, my WDC is pretty much putting me flat on the week. So it's just that I also try to trade Google here for the bounce, and it just sucks the way it's bouncing. You have Google here that's trying to bounce off the 300, and it's just not bouncing as I wanted it to bounce, as fast as I would want it to bounce. So there was a lot of opportunity today, and these are the reasons why I didn't buy a lot of these tickers.